In today's video, I will be showing you how to filter your data within your table using a slicer here in Google Sheets. So if you want to filter some of your data within your table, but you don't want to affect the original data, adding a slicer would be the perfect way to do it. So in this example, I want to filter my product purchase column to just show all the camera bag products. I'm going to do that by adding my slicer, and again, it won't affect my original data. Once I refresh or close this page, all of my data will revert to its original place. Let's go ahead and do that. So how do we add our slicer? Well, first, we're going to select our entire data right here. So you can just click on this side and press on your keyboard shortcut to select all. There you go. So that's Control A or Command A. Then go to Data here in the menu bar and select Add a Slicer right here. Once you click on that, it will insert a slicer onto your spreadsheet, and this is your slicer panel on the right side. So first, you're going to choose a column that will be the basis of your filter within your entire data. And that's going to be with our product purchase column. Click on that, and there we have it. Another great thing about your slicers is that you can apply them to your pivot tables as well. So I'm just going to select this slicer. Now this is interactive. You can place it wherever you want in your spreadsheet. I'm just going to put it right here at the top above our table. There you go. And of course, you can customize that, but we're just going to cover that in another video. We can just close this off now and start filtering our data. So right now, everything is still selected. Now our slicer works the same way as our filter. We are going to be filtering all of our data based on conditions or values. Right now, everything is selected, all of our values are selected, but again, I just want this table to show all the camera bag purchases. So I'm just going to clear everything that's selected at the moment, which is all of these products right here, and just select the camera bag. So that's a check mark on the left side, meaning this is the only one that you're going to see once we click on OK. Let's go ahead and do that. And here we have it. We have filtered all of our data to just show all the camera bag purchases in our table. Let's try that again with another condition. Let's say we want both camera bag and camera lenses to appear in our table. Let's just check that one. Click on OK, and there you have it. Let's say you want to change the filter column to be a different column. Let's say we want it to be filtered by region. So what we're going to do is to go to this ellipsis on the right side of our slicer, then click on Edit Slicer. Here we can choose different column to filter, so just click on that, or arrow down, go to Region, there you go, close that off, and now we can start filtering our data. Same way we are filtering this by condition or by values. So right now we have everything selected. Clear that off, and I just want it to show all the sales from the West region. Click on that, click on OK, and here we have them. So in the beginning of this video, I told you that this will not affect our original data once we close off this spreadsheet or this file, or we refresh it like so. Everything will go back to its original place. We will still have our slicer right here, but that's okay. You can always delete that. If you're done filtering your values, go ahead and click on it, go to the ellipsis and select Delete Slicer. And there you have it. That's how you can filter your data within your table using a slicer here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.